Today, we're diving into the OnePlus Ace 5 series, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, this series is packed with innovative gaming features, delivering an unmatched experience. With its stunning ceramic and glass finish and the impressive 1.5K Oriental screen offering top-tier eye protection, the Ace 5 series is built to impress. We'll explore its gaming performance and energy efficiency and groundbreaking camera capabilities. Don't miss how the OnePlus Ace 5 series redefines smartphone performance. Hey everyone, Mikey here from TechMakey. If you love tech content, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more exciting videos. Now, let's get straight to the unboxing. This is the red-colored box of the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. Let's remove the plastic wrap. The box's classic design feels great, and here we have the family slogan, "Never settle." Inside the box, you get the regular accessories, including this smiley SIM card tool. There's a 100-watt charger with a Type-A output, and a red-colored data cable is also included, which supports up to 12-amp power output. Now, let's talk about the design of the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro. The OnePlus Ace 5 introduces a brand new back cover design that feels fresh and minimalistic. The similarity between the standard and Pro versions is so striking that even I struggled to tell them apart. Can you guess which one's which? I'll give you 3 seconds before revealing the answer. An interesting highlight is that the standard version also offers a ceramic edition. The Celadon porcelain color features a real ceramic back made from zirconium dioxide, delivering a smooth, premium feel. This is paired with a metal frame that retains the signature 3-stage switch. Another option for the standard version is gravitational titanium, which stands out with its unique circular star track design created using nano-level texture processing. This finish is especially great for gamers prone to sweaty hands. When it comes to weight and thickness, we've measured both models, so feel free to pause and check out the details. Now let's move to the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro, which boasts a silky smooth glass back cover, one of OnePlus's signature materials. The light black color variant includes a low flicker effect in the glass, giving it a perfect balance of elegance and vibrance. Both the front and back of the OnePlus Ace 5 series feature Oppo's Golden Shield glass, offering superior scratch resistance and drop protection for a more durable and reliable experience. The OnePlus Ace 5 series comes equipped with the second-generation 1.5K Oriental screen, featuring X2 light-emitting material that enhances brightness to achieve a global peak of 1600 nits. We've also measured the screen's color gamut and color temperature data. Interested users can pause to check out the details. This screen excels in both outdoor display and eye protection. It inherits the solar display technology introduced with the OnePlus 13, which intelligently boosts brightness, enhances grayscale contrast, and increases color saturation in strong outdoor lighting. This ensures high brightness and accurate color reproduction, even under bright sunlight. Additionally, the OnePlus Ace 5 series includes Eye Comfort Low-Frequency Flash 2.0 and full brightness DC-like dimming. These features make the screen more comfortable to use for extended periods in low-light environments. For example, you can play games in the dark for hours without straining your eyes. Now, let's talk about gaming performance. Starting with the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro, it's no surprise that this device is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it one of the most powerful Android smartphones. Let's begin with a warm-up test. Honor of Kings at 25 degrees Celsius room temperature, with the screen brightness set to 200 nits, extreme graphics enabled, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. In a 1-hour ranked match, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro maintained an impressive average of 121.1 frames, delivering stable performance. The power consumption averaged just 2.82 watts, using only 12% of the battery, a truly remarkable energy efficiency ratio. Next, we raise the stakes with Genshin Impact under the same conditions. Running at 864p resolution, native 60 FPS, and high graphics settings, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro averaged 60.6 frames during a 30-minute test, consuming 10% of the battery. The OnePlus Ace 5 series excels in both energy efficiency and temperature control, thanks to the seamless integration of advanced software and hardware technologies. Software optimization. The OnePlus Ace 5 series introduces the industry's first chip-level gaming technology, engineered specifically for gaming. This innovative game kernel reconfigures the chip's core to reduce unnecessary power consumption during heavy gaming sessions. By eliminating inefficiencies, the chip's full potential is channeled directly into delivering an optimized gaming experience. On the hardware side, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is equipped with the advanced Sky cooling system, designed to manage high-performance chips effectively. It includes a single-layer cooling vapor chamber, VC, with an impressive cooling area of 6,004 square millimeters. Additionally, the 3D ice crystal cooling structure significantly reduces CPU core temperatures, enabling the device to sustain high performance over extended periods while minimizing the risk of overheating. Beyond performance, let's examine power efficiency and temperature control. The device averaged a power consumption of 3.54 watts, with a back temperature of 37.1 degrees C and a front temperature of 37.4 degrees Celsius. These excellent results reflect the seamless integration of software and hardware optimization, ensuring efficient energy use and effective thermal management. One of the most noticeable advantages of the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro is its ability to handle long gaming sessions without overheating or lag. It also breaks through current limitations on game frame rates and graphics quality. For instance, in Genshin Impact, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro achieves native-level 120 frames per second at 1080p graphics quality simultaneously. Let's put it to the test. Under the same conditions, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro delivered an impressive 120.8 frames with an average power consumption of 6.18 watts, using 15% of the battery. The back temperature reached 40.2 degrees Celsius, while the front was at 43.7 degrees Celsius. Compared to the previous test at 864p resolution and 60 FPS with lower graphics settings, the power consumption increased by only 2 watts, and battery consumption rose by just 5%. Yet, the gaming experience was doubled, with smooth gameplay free of stuttering or frame drops. If you get the chance, I highly recommend experiencing the stunning 1080p quality at 120 FPS. It's a game changer. Finally, let's look at performance under heavy gaming loads, such as running maps during peak times. Under the same test conditions with lower graphics settings, the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro delivered an average of 59.2 frames over 30 minutes, consuming 15% of the battery with an average power consumption of 5.6 watts. After an hour of testing, the back temperature reached 40.3 degrees Celsius, while the front measured 43 degrees Celsius. This impressive thermal management is made possible by the advanced Sky cooling system. We also tested the standard OnePlus Ace 5, equipped with the previous generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, under similar conditions. It performed admirably, achieving an average of 120.6 frames during a 1-hour ranked match in Honor of Kings with an average power consumption of just 3.35 watts. In a 30-minute map run, it averaged 60.2 frames with a power consumption of 5.58 watts. The standard version's performance is highly impressive, with the OnePlus gaming kernel optimizing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 so effectively that it approaches the level of an 8 Gen 3.5. After an intense gaming session, should you charge your phone? Let's check out the charging performance of the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro's Longevity Edition with its 100-watt super flash charge. Starting at just 1%, the phone charged to 43% in 10 minutes, 96% in 30 minutes, and hit 100% in only 34 minutes. That's enough to get you back to gaming for hours in no time. However, you don't need to wait for a full charge. The OnePlus Ace 5 Pro includes a bypass power supply feature. When plugged in, you can choose to bypass the battery and supply power directly to the phone's motherboard. This clever feature significantly reduces heat, making it ideal for playing games while charging. Finally, let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus Ace 5 series is equipped with Sony's IMX906 main sensor, the same flagship-grade camera used in the OnePlus 13. It inherits the advanced light and shadow imaging quality and powerful image algorithms from the flagship model. Let's dive straight into some sample shots from the OnePlus Ace 5 Pro to see the results. The OnePlus Ace 5 series redefines smartphone technology with its durable design and advanced features. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and featuring innovative gaming technology, it offers outstanding performance without the risk of overheating. The vibrant 1.5K Oriental screen provides excellent eye protection and stunning visuals. With fast charging and a bypass power supply feature, you can game without interruptions. Additionally, its impressive camera capabilities make it the perfect choice for both tech enthusiasts and gamers. What do you think of the OnePlus Ace 5 series? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep smiling. I'll see you in the next one.